Hi guys, good morning. These things are so fun. There was a Santa one too that I wanted to do. How's everybody doing this morning in Facebook world? Isn't that great? That's fun, right? Okay, but I'll stop. Let me see. How do I do that? Okay, good morning. So I was going to share with my team on my team page. Hold on, I gotta do it one more time because it's so fun. Okay, I was gonna share this morning on my team page just what I use to keep myself healthy in the winter, and how I use it and how I use it as the first line of defense for my life, and how it's kept me healthy. I feel like I watch people dropping around me, and I know that sometimes people who use oils, and natural products, they still catch things that go around. It happens, it's not a fail-proof wall, but it is something that you can do to boost your immune system. And I, praise the Lord, haven't been sick in a really, really long time, even when my son has been sick or my husband has been sick. And so I wanted to share the things that I use with you guys. I was going to share it just with my team, and then I was like, hey, there's other people that are going to need to know this stuff and want to know this stuff because maybe they're dealing with stuff and they want to feel better, right? So one of the things that, like, my favorite thing is this supplement called Inner Defense. And this is a ready-to-go supplement that has all kinds of awesome essential oils, therapeutic grade ones from Young Living. So it has cinnamon, oregano, thyme, lemongrass. It has the Thieves blend in it. And if you're not familiar with all the amazing properties that these oils have in them, I totally encourage you to Google them. But okay, so this Inner Defense supplement, this is how I use it. If I am around anyone who is below the wellness line, then I will pop one of these. If I start to get that kind of scratchy feeling in your throat, that's usually one of my first, to my brain that something might be coming. I take one of these. If my son is coming down with something that he caught at daycare, I take one of these. So this Inner Defense is an amazing supplement. I feel like every time I have that kind of feeling of scratchy throat, or just kind of maybe something's coming that I don't really want to happen in my life, I take one of these Inner Defenses and I wake up the next day and I feel like myself, all good, right? So this is the one that I recommend so much. And then if you run out, because sometimes they're out of stock because these bad boys are so popular, you can get, empty capsules. And I do this sometimes if I'm out of my wonderful, ready-to-go Inner Defense capsules. And you can use Oregano Vitality and Thieves Vitality oils. Those are ones that are labeled specifically for internal use, safe, and I'll just fill up a capsule with a little carrier oil and do it that way. It really has the same effect. The thing that's nice about these is just they're ready to go and on hand, and they do have some extra oils in them. The capsules, they're easy to make, but you have to make them when you need them. And, busy moms, sometimes it's just easier to pop one of these than to make a capsule. But you can totally do it that way. And if you already have your starter kit, you've got Thieves oil in there, so you can do it that way. And if you don't already have your starter kit, then we need to chat because your life needs to change and you need to use oils. Next thing that I love, and I just recently started using the Super C, within the last 6 months. And this is another one, same deal. If I'm starting to feel kind of under the weather, then I will grab the Inner Defense, take one, and take a Super C. And this is something that you could take all winter long if you wanted. You could take it daily. And it's a yummy, chewy capsule. I think they have, or chewy tablet. I think they also have a capsule that you can take, but I like the chewy tablets. They taste good, and it's just a great way to support your body. We need vitamin C, especially in the winter. The next one is ImmuPro. Okay, guys, this is like your natural NyQuil, okay? It's got all kinds of things that are known herbs and different things, different vitamins and minerals that are known to support your immune system, but then it also has some melatonin in it. So the great part about this is, like I always say, it's like your natural NyQuil, is you take this chewable capsule tablet, it's like a round thing, at night, and you're going to sleep good, and it's going to boost your immune system. So my go-to is to do the Inner Defense in the morning, and then do the ImmuPro at night. So it's kind of like natural Dayquil, natural NyQuil. And instead of just masking the symptoms like those things do, these are actually boosting your immune system and helping your body to function better, like getting at the root, like getting you feeling better and tip-top. So ImmuPro is amazing. And, you know, sometimes when you're not feeling well, you can't sleep good, right? So this helps so much. And then the last thing, I mean, there's a lot more that I have in my arsenal, but these are like kind of like, you should have these for winter kind of things, is the Thieves cough drops. And these are also just one of those things that is so amazing to have on hand, because they have certain oils in them that have like a numbing effect, like clove and cinnamon. It has that feeling of sucrets. Like, I don't know if you guys remember sucrets. Tasted horrible, right? But kind of would numb your throat. These kind of do that same sort of thing, except they don't taste horrible. They're like cinnamony and yummy, and they have peppermint, and so they help with, like, you know, nasal passage support and all that stuff. Plus, like I said, you should research Thieves oil and Google it, and then you'll find out about all the amazing healing properties and what kind of things that those oils like clove and cinnamon and oregano and all those oils can do for your body, because it's really amazing. And I can only say so much here because, you know, that's just the way it is. I can tell you that they're going to support your immune system and keep you above the wellness line. But I usually take one of these, same thing. If I get that scratchy throat sort of feeling, they're also really helpful if you are someone who has to talk a lot, like, I don't know, pastor or somebody, you're in your company and you are someone who talks and encourages your team, whatever, that you're talking a lot, they can help soothe your throat, your singer, something like that, you know. And the cool thing about these is, like, you really only need 1 or 2 in a day, where I feel like when I used Halls or whatever that had all the fake dyes and whatnot in it, like, you'd almost go through half a bag in a day. Like, these are really effective. Like, they really, amazingness. So those are the things that I recommend. It's just 4 kind of amazing supplements that you should have on hand. It is Inner Defense, ImmuPro, kind of like daytime, nighttime, Super C, amazing stuff, and the Thieves cough drops. And obviously, you know, I'd always recommend a diffuser going with some Thieves oil, maybe some Thieves and diluted oregano on the bottom of your feet. You know, those are kind of like our go-tos, and I feel like most oilers are already trying those things, and they are very helpful. But if you really, really want to get yourself where you're like in that mindset where, like, this is your arsenal of wellness stuff, and right away when you feel something coming, you go to those supplements, you're going to keep yourself above the wellness line. At least I have, and it's been a long, long time that I've been able to do that. Hold on, I dropped my oil. Nobody likes oil on the floor, right? I don't want my Thieves on the floor. And yeah, so if you're not already using oils, if you don't have this awesome starter kit back here, we should chat. You should message me or comment below, because I love helping people to use oils and to use natural things as their first line of defense, to keep them well and keep their family well. And then you can skip all the stuff at the pharmacy that's really only masking your symptoms and has crazy dyes in it and chemicals and toxins and things that really are not even supporting your body. They're just like masking a symptom And what we want to do is really get to the root of our symptoms and really support our systems and our bodies. And that's what I'm all about. So anyway, like I said, I was going to share this with my team, and I just decided, hey, I should share this with all you guys, right? Because you want to know about wellness too. You want to stay above the wellness line. Sorry, I had to play with these things. My friend was showing me these yesterday, and I was like, these are way too fun. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, need more info, just comment below, and I'm happy to help. Have a great Saturday.